欢迎你回来，我们继续用 Oracle 来学习汉字。Let's learn Chinese words via oracles. The first one, the focus is right here. Remember this word. Let's trace this and color it green, and you can see that is a person. Okay? Now, behind the person, something is hanging there. Maybe it's a decoration made of feathers, and this word is wei. Wei. Alright, we talk about its feathers. Now we can see this word mao. It is a feather, it is a hair. How about this part? Let's change a different color. We can see whenever you see this in Chinese, that means body. Wow, they're really echoing this Chinese word in the oracle. See here, we talk about this is the body, and this one we talk about that's the tail that made of feathers. And when we're writing real words, real Chinese words, we have body and feather. Okay, now let's write down one more time. We can trace over here. That's a body. That's the hair. And put together, don't forget our pinyin, wu a wei, that means tail. Let us make a few expressions. How about we have a dog's tail? 狗尾巴, 狗尾巴, 狗尾巴. We'll add a word 巴, 尾巴, 尾巴, 狗尾巴. Cat's tail? 猫尾巴. 猫尾巴，猫尾巴。Fish tail, 鱼尾巴，鱼尾巴。Alright, talking about fish, we do have a word right here. And this one, see, that's a mouth, and that's the fin, that's the body, and we added some scales here, and that is a fish. And write down traditional, write down simplified. We say 鱼, 鱼. 你喜欢鱼吗? 你喜欢鱼吗? Do you like fish? It can mean do you like to eat fish, or it can mean do you like to enjoy the creation of fish. God made a fish for us. Do you like it? And it can be do you like to keep a fish as a pet? Anyway, context, context, context. All right, now let us look at our next word. When I show this second picture to little children, they can figure out immediately. They say, oh, it's a fence, it's a gate, and something made of wood. That's right, something made of wood. So we're going to put the wooden part here. Then we start to draw. What do we use? We use the planks and planks, and then we put the horizontal piece here. Okay, it is true. It means a fence, it means a gate, it means something can block and become a boundary. So we say this word is shan, shan. All right, our third word. Oh, as we can see, there's a person here. Just like the first one, this is a person. But this time the person was wrapped up in looks like a giant drop of water. Yes, the person was wrapped up. So this word means wrapped up. We say 包, 剥凹包, 剥凹包. My favorite food, 包子. 包子, it's a Chinese bun, and it looks like this. It's really cute. And has a little bit of wrinkles here, and inside you can put anything you like, anything. By the way, there was a short animated movie. Name is called Bao Bao. So if you're interested, you can search on YouTube and watch this. It's about a really cute little child, and he was born as a Chinese bun. Alright, so that is our short lesson. We connected the oracles with our 汉字. Happy learning.